All right, here with Wasim Akram, and we are here for the review. Yeah, unfortunately didn't get a game today. Baz, is it a point lost or a point scored if you look at it for both the teams?
I suppose you have to look at it a positive way. Point scored is the right word. And it wasn't in anybody's controls. It has rained a lot all day since till about 2:33. All night it has been raining. So there were certain patches along the square and of course on the run-up as well. So everybody tried, the ground staff worked hard. We saw them in the morning since 8 o'clock. They were cleaning the water from the covers. We saw the umpires going out. Everybody was wanting to play the game, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So point gain for both the sides.
Well, it's disappointing that we didn't have a game today, but of course it's disappointing for both the teams and the captains as well. Let's hear from Sarfraz first.
Sarfraz, bit of a challenging day for you. How do you look at this 1-1 point split?
Unfortunately, we're not playing today match. We wanted to play match, but unfortunately we couldn't do anything. But definitely we'll take a positive. We will take 1 point. So we have a couple of days before the Australia match, so we will work harder before the match.
Yeah, I mean, it was an important game because you want to catch Sri Lanka when your game is on a bit of an upswing.
Definitely, momentum was very high after the England match, so we wanted to play that match, but unfortunately we didn't play today. So we have a very confident side, so hopefully we will do well against England. Sorry, Australia.
Of course. The unpredictability bit about Pakistan, it's been talked about so much in media. What do you make of it?
Definitely, Navinda, you know better than me. If Pakistan is unpredictable, so every team is scared about the Pakistan team. On a day, Pakistan team is a very difficult team. So the way we playing against England, so momentum is very high. Dressing room was very confident. So hopefully we will do well in future matches.
Yeah, lots of talk on unpredictability about the Pakistan team, how they turned up in the first match and then how they turned up in the next one. Quite a contrast. But of course, we've had a game that you would have imagined that if it went through, you would have liked those 2 points, Pakistan winning. But of course, now Pakistan has the opportunity against Australia as well. Do you think the confidence is going to really come from the previous game, winning that one against England?
Yeah, obviously, confidence as a team, as a captain, coach, the staff, because you lost 4 games on a trot against them, bilateral series before the World Cup. And then they're the firm favourites to win the World Cup, let alone we talk about the top 4 to qualify for the semis. England I'm talking about. And then winning against them convincingly. And in batting, everybody chipped in. Hafiz, Imam, Fakhr, captain himself got runs as well. So everybody got runs, so that's a good sign. And the crucial stage is the bowlers got wickets, especially the bowlers were struggling. Our main bowler, Mohammad Amir, who was unlucky all year round. But he's got 3 wickets in the first game, then 2 wickets under the pump in the second game. So that gives you a lot of confidence as a bowler.
Yeah, you're talking about chipping in. There's another place where all the boys chipped in. They played Dum Charades, and guess what? It was a lot of fun.
Cricketer is not from Pakistan cricket team.
Sorry, I'm too much in love with Pakistan. Murli
नहीं ये तो मेरा ही है मिसबा भाई दो ही लोग ये नहीं
Imam.
was absolutely mad over there, Vaz, with all the boys in, guessing who the player is. I mean, you know, you've often spoken about how this bunch is more serious when you compare it to what you guys had.
Yeah.
Is that true?
I don't know them much. I spent time with them during PSL. Quite a few players are in Karachi Kings. They were in Multan, but they behave differently. I think the good boys, end of the day, they work hard. And our bunch was a bit wild. This bunch is not as wild.
I was going to say, what was your idea of having fun back in the day?
I don't think so. I can say this on television. But obviously, to go out to have a good meal, I used to find good restaurants wherever I landed, whichever city. I used to take out the yellow pages. Those days, there were yellow pages, no Google, no internet, and find out what sort of food I want. And I'll tell the boys, okay, we are going there tonight. So that was my kind of fun.
All right, exactly. That's what we've seen from, back in the day, how it used to be for them. But it's time to hear from the Sri Lankan captain as well. Let's see what he has to say.
Dimut, frustrating day as is talking to Sarfraz. How disappointed are you with a 1-1 point split?
Yeah, I think it's we all came here for play cricket. The game without playing, it's not a good sign. So I think it's really disappointed as a team and as a captain as well.
Yeah, I mean, what does Sri Lanka need to be a force to reckon with in this World Cup?
Yeah, I think as a team, we were in the we won the last game, so we need good ended up with the high note. Maybe we might lose some matches, but we want to end up with the give some fights. So that's all we want. We want to compete with the others. That's all we want. I think we did really well against Afghanistan, and we were in the high note. So that's confidence I want to take for the rest of the matches.
Yeah, Sri Lanka's had one win as well. I mean, when you look at that lineup of Sri Lanka, there's been a lot of talk about instability, how players have been coming and going, but they've still got, the likes of Malinga over there. We saw how he bowled as well. So there is a bit of experience, but batting woes, Baz. Batting woes for Sri Lanka.
But they do have a couple of match winners in that batting. Pereira has been quite good, Shal Pereira. And then obviously Tirumane is not haven't got some runs yet, but he's a quality player as well. So they need one or two their main batsmen to get some runs, and they'll be on the track. They have a variation in their bowling, but Malinga being the most senior, he bowled beautifully the other day, and they won a close game against Afghanistan. So it means that will give them a lot of belief that they can win against any team in the world.
Well, the sun is out here right now, but the weather wasn't kind a couple of hours ago. Guess what our commentators were up to in that time?
Oh, come back to South Africa.
Nice.
Oh, yacht him. He's yacht him.
I think you're in.
Ooh, tried to scoop it.
You're not supposed to win.
Everyone take a step back.
You might be Sangakkara's first wicket ever.
Probably. And you know what was the rule there when you batted?
What?
Idea was on the full is out. And you came in and you smashed first ball. So you were out first ball.
Well, come on, you got to give me some marks for trying. I mean, I've never
No,
really...
good shot it was. It wasn't according to the situation though.
Tell us about, generally we've seen, there have been so many occasions when it's raining. How difficult is it as a player even, to be sitting in that dressing room and kind of, how do you kill time?
As a commentator, you arrived at 7, I arrived at 8, and our team, everyone, directors, producers, the cameraman, everybody arrived at 6:30. So it can be long day, but I suppose it's part and parcel of playing in this beautiful part of the world. In England, rain once in a while is there. sometimes it's more than often. But I mean, in Lancashire, we used to play. Some people used to play cards. Some people used to play the cricket we used to play. Some people used to read. So every individual have their own kind of time down. The idea is to relax in that time and try not to get panicked. You know, just wait for it.
And of course, you know, the action doesn't end here because we've got a couple of games for you tomorrow as well. This is what we have on for tomorrow. It is England taking on Bangladesh. Remember, England lost their game against Pakistan, so they'd be definitely looking for that win. And then it is the mighty Afghans. You know, they've come in playing with that kind of spirit versus New Zealand. Here is how the points table looks like as well. You've got New Zealand right at the top. 4 points over there for them. Australia also up there with 4 points, and Sri Lanka and Pakistan both getting a point each. Yeah, of course, you know, you can follow us on ICC, you can follow us on Cricket World Cup. We're everywhere on YouTube and all the social media platforms, and we love to hear from you. Thank you so much for your thoughts, Waz.
Thank you, Zainab.
And let's hope that we get a game tomorrow as well, and there's no rain interruptions, lots of good weather. We'll see you tomorrow.